Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to install WhatsApp Business on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, open App Store and tap search and search for WhatsApp Business, as you can see here. Then tap this icon to download WhatsApp Business. After downloading WhatsApp Business, tap open and then tap agree and continue and tap allow, and then WhatsApp Business will recognize your number. If this is your number, you can tap this use and continue. If not, you can use a different number. For example, I use a different number, and here select your country and write your number and then tap next, then tap yes, and then guys, WhatsApp Business will send a 6-digit code to our phone number. Then write your code here and wait a moment, and then here you can restore your old chat history from iCloud. So I'm skip this, then tap allow, then select your photo profile of your account WhatsApp. You can take a photo or you can choose a photo from gallery. For example, I'll select this one and then tap choose. Perfect. Here change and here tap your business name. For example, it's service. Then select the category of your business and then tap next. Here you can easily create your passkey to make your account WhatsApp more security. Okay, tap continue and tap your Face ID and tap with passcode, write your passcode. Congratulations, WhatsApp Business has been set successfully. Now you can easily send and receive messages. You can make a calls. For example, if you want to send a message, tap chats and tap send message and select anyone you want to send them a message. For example, hello, and you can also send a picture, a video. Just tap here and select from camera or from library, give a full access. For example, this, and also you can take a picture, tap allow, and for example this one, and that's it. You can also make a call, tap just here and you can make a call. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.